We are here in Barangay San Jose. And in yesterday, we go to the Sipalay City, Negros Occidental. In the zoo, we watched the Pasaway Festival for 2024 and 2025. Wait, I just want to tell I have a serious tell. Hello, it's me, the little vlogger. The episode on YouTube. I will send the vlog into the YouTube. See you in December 25, 20. See you this January 1, 2025. We are vlogging in 2025 January 1 in 12 p.m. in evening and see you soon. Goodbye.